Alright guys, so let's take a look at multi-step equations. This unit, that's how we're going to start it. The first thing we got to do, if we had any fractions, get rid of fractions. We don't have fractions today, so I'll teach you guys, once we get them, I'll teach you guys how to get rid of them. So we don't have fractions once again. If you have fractions, get rid of them. Now, another thing we have to get rid of is parentheses. I see parentheses, so let me multiply the 8 on the outside to my terms on the inside. So I'm going to have negative 64m plus 40 is equal to negative 408. All I did was get rid of parentheses. Now where I see where the letter is, the plus 40 has nothing to do with it. So I'm going to bring it to the other side as a negative 40. So I have negative 64m is equal to negative 448. Now, let me divide both sides by negative 64. I know negative divided by negative is positive. 448 divided by 64 is 7. So get rid of parentheses, letters on one side, numbers on the other, and then divided by the number in front of the m. What was that? No, because negative divided by negative would be positive. All right, now looking at question number 2, let me write this as 152 is equal to negative 16r plus 24. All right, all I did was multiply the negative 4 to the inside. Letters on one side, numbers on the other. So let me bring that 24 to the left as a minus 24. I know 152 minus 24 is 138. I mean, 128. Alright, so 128. Now, let me divide by negative 16. I know positive divided by negative, it's negative. 128 divided by 16 is 8. So R is equal to negative 8. Let me skip to number 5. Let me just take a look at number 5. I'm going to separate this. That negative 8 has nothing to do with the parentheses, so do not combine negative 8, positive 7. Do not combine it just yet. I'm going to have negative 8. I'm just going to copy it because it has nothing to do with the parentheses. Multiply the 7 to the inside, so I get 7 plus 21x is equal to negative 127. This negative 8, positive 7, I can just call it negative 1. I can combine it. So I have negative 1 plus 21x is equal to negative 127. Right, I just simplified that. Okay, so now my negative 1, let me bring it to the right as a positive 1, because I want letters on one side, numbers on the other. So I'm going to have 21x is equal to negative 126. Now divide both sides by 21. X is equal to negative 6. So the idea is get rid of parentheses. I mean for today, get rid of parentheses, letters on one side, numbers on the other. And then the last part is divide by the number in front of the letter. We should call that coefficient, but just call it the number in front of the letter. Any questions? Let me take roll here real quick.